Hello everyone, I'm Adriana and today Leonardo will try to rescue a water-damaged Samsung Galaxy A32 5G, which according to the client got wet 2 weeks ago. We will not delay with the disassembly process, we do it fast. We apply a little heat and remove the back cover. To remove the back covers, it's recommended to use the plastic guitar pick. The back cover of this device is made of a flexible material. In the next step, we have to remove all the screws. It's very important to eject the SIM card tray before removing the middle cover. We remove the middle frame using a guitar pick. This is the first visual inspection of the motherboard. First of all, we need to remove the battery connector and the connector of the sub motherboard. We observe this mark. I'm not sure if it's water damage, but later we analyzing it more in detail. We remove the motherboard. Now let's analyze the bottom part of the device, looking for signs of humidity and corrosion. With the help of the microscope, we observe it better. We review all the area of the subboard with the charging connector. On this FPC connector, we observe blue marks. On the other connector also we've got signs of humidity. We are going to extract the subboard to check the humidity sticker. Here is the sticker, which has changed color from white like normally is, it has turned red. This means, like I said before, that the device has been in contact with liquids. When we've got water inside, some important lines might be short-circuited. So, before turning on the device, we have to clean the area depending on the damages suffered. Now, we are going to check the other humidity sticker, which is in the top part of the device. As you can see, the sticker is fine, it hasn't been in contact with liquids. This is one good news. After we accumulate such an information about the wet device, we proceed with the motherboard inspection. Everything looks fine, there are no signs of corrosion. So, not all the devices that gets into our workshop are burned. According to our information, 60% of the wet devices are easier to work with and can be fixed with a manual cleaning. Why are we going to use an ultrasonic cleaner machine if the device doesn't have much corrosion? If the client tells you that the device got wet, doesn't mean that it's absolutely necessary to use the ultrasonic cleaner machine. We go back to our connector and we proceed with the manual cleaning using a piece of cotton and contact cleaner. Do you know what's the difference between contact cleaner and isopropyl alcohol? Let me tell you. Let's go by parts. The contact cleaner contains in its composition a lot of chemical products like chemicals cleaning components and a special oil to prevent the advance of corrosion. The isopropyl alcohol, on the other hand, is just pure alcohol 99.9%. For this reason, from many years ago, we use the contact cleaner. If we've got more damages and the motherboard is practically burned, then we use the ultrasonic cleaner machine at 70 Celsius degrees during 10 minutes. And we utilize this liquid. After the cleaning process, we'll assemble the device. We plug in the charger to appreciate the consumption. On the screen, we can notice some stripes, so we'll leave it a little bit on charge. We check the consumption using the Power Z tool, but we also can use a USB tester. If you want to buy it, you can find it available on our website www.movilone.eu. There you can find most of the tools that we use in our workshop, so check it out. We place the middle casing so we can power on the device, but we also can use a metal tweezers to do it. As I was saying, the screen present lines. As one of our suppliers are about 5 minutes from our store, we approached to order a new screen. In less than 15 minutes, we have the new screen in our workshop. So we place the motherboard, the battery and the charging flex with the new screen. This one is the old screen. The original screen for this device is a complete screen with earpiece and power button included. We've got good news. It seems to work. We turn on the device. This is the plastic protector which we keep until we deliver the device to the client. With this tutorial, I would like to tell you not to be afraid to repair damaged devices. You can earn a good pay because 60% of these repairs are easy. They can be repaired using YouTube tutorials. We are here to help you because it's time to give back everything we've learned. Guys, he's Leonardo. This was today's video. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.